Solve this logarithm problem under a minute. Okay, to solve this is very simple. We are told to solve without table or calculator that log of base 2 of 4 plus log of base 4 of 2 minus log of base 25 of 5. To solve this, we notice that these three problems here that we have on the board is not of different bases, 2, 4, 25. So all we have to do is the only thing that can save us is to make all of them to be in the same base. And to do that, we can do that using change of base. In change of base, let's say we have log of base b of n. If you apply change of base to this, you can pick a normal base you want. Let's say base c. This will now be log of base c of n. The number always stands as the numerator divided by log of base c of b. And the base becomes the denominator in change of base. So if you understand this, so we are going to apply it to all of these terms. So instead of having log this, I can have this as what? Log of base, let's go to base 10, log of base 10 of 4 divided by log of base 10 of 2. Okay? Then plus log of base 2, log of base 10 of 2 over log of base 10 of 4. Then minus log of base 5 over log of base 25. Okay? So since we have this now, you can now see that 4 can be seen as 2 squared, right? So we can now write it as log of 2 squared over log 2, okay, over log 2 plus log of 2 over log 2 squared, because 4 is 2 squared, then minus log of 25, log of 5 over log 5 squared, since 5 squared is also 25. There is a rule of logarithm which says that whenever you have log of m raised to power n is the same thing as multiplying the number to the log of m. Okay? So we are going to multiply all the powers to the log. So we have 2 log 2 over log 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2, then minus log 5 over 2 log 5. Okay? Now you see that log 2 will cancel out, we have 2. If you cancel out log 2 here, you are having plus 1 will be remaining here, 1 over 2, minus, if you cancel out log 5 dividing itself, you have minus 1 over 2. Okay? 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is 0. That's 2 plus 0 is what? 2. So the answer to all this stuff is what? 2. If this video is interesting, do what to like, comment, and share so that you get notified anytime I make a new post. See you next time.